Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to access Google Classroom using your mobile device. Now, I only have an Android, so unfortunately Apple users, you are going to need to use a YouTube tutorial to help you. But it should be very similar. So, what I'm going to do is, after Sparta moves, open up Classroom. Hey, let's get started. So, it prompts me for an account. I think on Apple they don't prompt you for an account. I'm gonna go add account. So, the account you're going to add is going to be your Garfield account. So, the ID is going to be the same as the one you use for logging in any school system. And it's going to be at Field.org. Next. Alright, the password you're going to put in is the same password you do for any other school account. It should be #hi with a capital H and your birthday, month, day, year. I obviously have a different password, and I'm obviously not going to show you that. Thank you, Persephone. Alright, so after you get through that, we publish Google Terms and Services. You have to agree to Google Terms and Services. They have a privacy policy, which basically says, the usual stuff. You hit I agree. There we go. So I have a lot more astronomies because I'm also a part of Garvey's astronomies and Miss Villarreal's astronomies. You all are here. My astronomy and earth science classes. My sweet chickadees. So, from here, you can access whichever class you need. And from here, you can also access information sent out from a teacher. So, I hope this is helpful. I hope this helps you be able to access Google Classroom. On my Google Classroom, any of the modules you access you can actually access everything from your phone. There we go. So, you can even use Drive from your phone. And you can actually be able to access and edit everything I post from your phone. You can even collaborate by adding people or groups. You just have to know their email, which everyone has the same email. So, I hope this is helpful. I hope this can help you if you wish to improve your grade. This would be a way to access and improve your grade. So, let me know if you have any questions. I will post this link in an email blast to everyone on how to access Google Classroom. Parents, if you want to access Google Classroom of your student, you need to email me, please, so that I can add you to your child's student classroom. So that's another cool feature I can do on my end, and I hope it can help you with further educating your students. I hope you all are well. I know this week has been stressful. I know next week is spring break, so I am not expecting you all to email me about stuff. I'm not expecting you all to do anything but try to enjoy spring break in quarantine, because I know spring break usually is traditionally pretty fun, and quarantine is traditionally pretty boring. So, stay safe, y'all, and wash your hands.